It's a good one. See that? That's a very good hole right there. That's where we're getting fish. And then this one is all flat, except for that one. Okay, let's go. Oh, fish on! Oh yeah, fish on! Yeah! Alright guys, woo! More than fishing here. Alright, now today we're gonna go for surf perch. We're gonna use a lure. This is from Calissa. We're gonna use this to catch surf perch. I haven't caught a perch using Calissa or any jerkbait lure. I always caught them with sand crabs or sandworm. This time, we'll see. Our goal for today is to catch them with this. It's still early in the season for striped bass. It's only March. So the striped bass comes in during May, June, July, August. They're here. But there's some few that, you know, just got stranded, or they just got, you know, they're just passing by. I don't know. There's small ones here, out here. So we'll see. Hopefully we can hook up with the striped bass too. That would be nice. But our main goal is to catch surf perch with a lure. Yeah, let's go. Need to cast this lure as far as we can. It's high tide right now, guys. We are in the peak of high tide. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah, fish on. Yeah. Woo. That's a good one. Finally. On Calissa. It's a good perch right here. Yeah, baby. Fish on. Oh no. Oh, it's a striped bass. Woo. Yeah, baby. Striped bass. Nice. It's a good 17 inches right here. Nice. Woo. Good one. First striped bass of the season in the ocean. Yeah. All right, let's do it again. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that was a perch. Let's go. First fish of 2020. First striped bass. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Come on. Give me a keeper. That was short. I need a keeper for this year. My first keeper. Yep, I was hoping for perch. And yep, I'll take that. I just realized I'm not aiming for perch anymore. I'm aiming for striped bass this time. Perch. I'm really aiming for a perch. That's still my goal, guys, to catch a perch on this lure. Pump it. Relax. Oh, fish on. Yeah. There's another striped bass right here, guys. Yep. Nice. Woo. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, this is a good one. Let's go. Yeah, baby. Striped bass. Woo-hoo. Nice. Oh, this is a good one. It's a good size right here. Not really. I mean, I want to catch my first keeper of the year. And I think this one is a keeper right here. Let's see. Yeah, this is definitely a keeper right here. This is a good size 19 right here. Let me do a measurement right here real quick, and we're gonna release it. All right, my second fish of the day, guys. 20 inches. Yeah, not bad, not bad. That feels good. All right, right here. Let's go. Go bigger, guy. Oh, there you go. That was quick. Yeah, I'll catch you again. I'll catch you again when you get bigger. All right, let's get back in action. I caught those 2 striped bass right here. Usually they school. They stay in one place, and hopefully there's more there, right? Let's go. That's a good distance. This is it. Watch. Come on, strike it. Hey! Hey! That's my bag!
I'm sorry, I was trying to stop him. I stopped him before he peed. I stopped him before he peed, I'm sorry.
Put a leash on your dog!
Get away from it! I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, there's a seal. Oh no. Seal just came in. Oh no, the striped bass gonna be, they're just gonna move. They see a seal, they don't like seal, they're just gonna, no. So that means no more feeding for striped bass. They're not gonna feed anymore because they're being preyed by the seal. The wind is blowing against my face now, so I'm gonna have a hard time casting this lure because the wind is against me. So it's gonna be okay. That's not bad. Good. Let's go. I hope they don't pee on my back because there's already a dog pee there. So dog tendencies are they can smell. Their sense of smells are very strong, so they can smell things. See, look at that tub. Oh no! He just peed on my camera. What? Your dog just peed on my camera. She already know it. She didn't say sorry until oh my gosh, people. Okay, that is it, guys. That is it for today. It was a good fishing day. A good 1.5 hours of fishing. Not bad. Caught 2 striped bass. Although we didn't reach our goal for today, which is to catch surf perch using this lure right here. But I guess this lure can catch striped bass. So if you want to try this lure, I'm going to put the link under the description below. Just click that. And if you want to save money, use my promo code MORETHANFISHING and you will save 10% discount off your purchase. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, be safe out there, be kind to one another. It's not just fishing, it's more than fishing. Hello, sir.
Hi. Yes. Hey, reason why I'm pulling you over is the speed limit's 55 on 35. So I was doing radar when you were passing me. So you were going 71 miles per hour and a 55 mile. Do you have driver's license, registration, insurance with you? Okay. I need you to sign in the box. It's a ticket for speed. I need you to sign in the box where it says signature.
Is there any way that you can give me a warning? Just warning?
There is not a way.
I wasn't really aware of my driving.
I understand that. That's why you're getting a citation today. So, in the box.
Where is it?
Right where your left thumb is, in the box where it says signature. It says signature and there's a sign to the right of it.
I don't even know how to do this. Alright, I guess that happens. Fudge.